Dear students, today we are going to study the new subject, new chapter, that is ledger accounts. Plus one accountancy students, please listen here. Already we studied journal entries. With the help of journal, we will prepare the ledger accounts. If you are thorough about the journal entries, then only we have to prepare the ledger accounts. So, first we study about the meaning of ledger. What is the meaning of ledger? Ledger is a summary. Ledger is a summary of all transaction relating to person, asset, liability, income, expenditure, which has been take place during the given period of time. So, ledger account is a summary statement of ledger account is a summary statement of all transactions relating to number one, person, relating to person, or relating to asset, or relating to liability, relating to income or expense. Income or expense, which has been taken place for a particular place within a given period of time. So, let once again explain, ledger account is a summary statement of all transactions relating to persons, assets, liabilities, income or expenditure which has been taken place for a particular period of time. It is called as a ledger. So, the ledger account is one of the principal book of account. Based on journal entries, ledger accounts are prepared. Once again, I repeat what I told. Ledger account is a summary statement of all transactions relating to person, asset, liabilities, income or expenses which has been taken place for a particular period of time. This is the meaning of ledger account. So, ledger is the principal book of account. Without journal, we are not able to prepare the ledger account. So, first preliminary aim is, first transactions are given. From the transaction, we have to prepare the journal entries. After that, we have to prepare the ledger account. So, ledger is the principal book of account. Ledger is prepared on the basis of journal entries. Ledger is a summary statement of all transactions relating to persons, assets, liabilities, income or expenditure which has been taken place for a particular given period of time. Then how do we prepare the ledger accounts? Then here we have in the blackboard, we have 5 transactions. Here 5 transactions. 5 transactions is having 5 journal entries. In this question, cash account, capital account, furniture account, machinery account, Harris account, purchases account, insurance account. Like this, we have to classify all the accounts one by one. First account is cash account. Likewise, second account is capital account. Third account is furniture account. Furniture account. Then next account is machinery account. Machinery account. Then Harris account. Harris account. We have 2 more account, purchases account and insurance account. Purchases account. And insurance premium account. Likewise, we have to prepare all the accounts separately. This is the first account, second account, third account, fourth account, fifth account, sixth account, and seventh account. We have to only 5 transactions are given in the question. From the 5 transaction, 5 journal entries comes. After preparing the journal entries, we have to prepare the ledger accounts. For preparing the ledger account, we need journal entries. With the help of journal entry, ledger accounts are prepared. How do we prepare the account? When we prepare the journal entry, one page is enough. Date, particulars, ledger folio, debit, credit. These are the columns we all know. For preparing ledger accounts, we need both the pages. 2 pages are necessary. This side is considered as a debit side and this side is considered as a credit side. For an example, if you have any textbook, if you have any accountancy notebook, this book contains 2 pages. This left hand side is considered as a debit side. Right hand side is considered as a credit side. Left hand side and right hand side, both the pages are necessary for preparing the ledger accounts. Then cash account. It contains some columns. You have to draw the columns one by one. First column date, second column particulars, the next column journal folio. In the journal entries, ledger folio comes. In the ledger, journal folios comes. Then likewise, credit side also we have to open these columns. First column date, second column particulars, third column journal folio, then amount. Likewise, right hand side also, first column date, second column particulars, third column journal folio and amount. Likewise, you have to draw the columns in all the accounts. You have to prepare 7 accounts. Only 5 transactions, 5 journal entries, but we need 7 accounts. How do you write the ledger account? The process of writing from journal to ledger is called posting. First we post the account one by one. Cash account debtor 50,000 to capital account. In the cash account is debited with 50,000 rupees. So in the amount column, first you write this 50,000 here. In the debit side, here the journal entries column, debit column contains 50,000. In the ledger account, same 50,000 is entered in the debit side. The amount column contains 50,000. Debit side starts with 2 to capital account. To capital account. Cash account debtor to capital account. Cash account debtor to capital account. Cash account debit side, this 50,000 is entered. Here we never use the word cash. Instead of cash, we write capital. Here you write the date 2021 July 1. In the capital account, the same amount comes in the credits column. In the capital account, this 50,000 comes to the credit side. First you write this 50,000 here. Credit side starts with by. We never use the word cash, capital. Instead of capital, we write cash. By cash account. Here you write the date. 2021 July 1. You will have a separate column. Once again, I explain. Cash account debtor to capital account. In the cash account debit side, this 50,000 is entered to capital account. Same 50,000 here, it is given in the credit column. The credit side, this 50,000 is entered. But here you write by cash. The capital account, we never use the word capital. Instead of capital, we write cash. The cash account, we never use the word cash. Instead of cash, we write capital. That is the only basic principle. Then furniture account debtor to cash account. Furniture account is debited with 6,000, the debit column. Here debit side, this 6,000 is entered. Debit side starts with 2 cash, 2 cash account. In the cash account, this 6,000 is entered in the credit side. 6,000 by, we never use the word cash. Instead of cash, we write furniture. Buy furniture. Then machinery account debtor to Harish account. The machinery account, 10,000 is entered in the debit side to Harish. In the Harish account, 10,000 is entered in the credit side. So this 10,000 is entered in the credit side by, instead of Harish, we write by machinery. Then purchase account debtor to cash account. In the purchases account, 4,000 is entered in the debit side to cash account. In the cash account, this 4,000 is entered in the credit side. 4,000 by purchases. Then insurance premium account debtor to cash account. Insurance premium account, this 100 rupees is entered in the debit side. Here you write to cash account. In the cash account, this 100 is entered in the credit side. But here we write by insurance premium. Likewise, we have to write the ledger accounts from journal. The process of writing the entries from journal to ledger is called as posting. After that, we close the account. The closing of account we will study in the next video. Dear students, already I hope that you are all having question number 6. First 6 questions, the first chapter, first 6 questions are account equation. Then 7th question onwards, you already, I hope you already solved the journal entries. But with the help of journal, we prepare the ledger accounts. So we have to prepare the ledger accounts one by one. 7th problem, 8th problem, 9th problem onwards, we have to study. God bless you.